Hello everyone, welcome to the Common Cantonese Words Every Beginner Must Know series. And in this lesson, I'm going to go over words that associate with the Chinese characters of public, really, rebel, regard, release, and roots. Now, if you want to study these words in flashcards or quiz format, please consider download our Android app, in which the link is in the video description below. Now, the first Chinese character that I want to talk about in Cantonese means public, and that the Chinese character is actually pronounced gong, gong, but the word public is actually called in Cantonese gong gong, gong gong. A corporation or a company in Cantonese is gong si, gong si. A public park in Cantonese is 公園, 公園. Public or the community, like a large group of people in Cantonese, would be 公眾, 公眾. And to go to the public or make things unclassified in Cantonese is 公開, 公開. Now, if you wish to review these words in flashcard or quiz format, please look at our app under the flashcard set named Words with Public. The second Chinese character that I want to talk about has a meaning of really, and in Cantonese it is pronounced 真. 真. So if we want to say really in Cantonese, we would say 真係, 真係. Sincerely or heartfelt in Cantonese, it is 真心, 真心. Genuine or true in Cantonese is 真正, 真正. The truth about something or the actual facts in Cantonese is 真相, 真相. Now, if you want to review these words in our app, please look at the flashcard set Words with Really. The third Chinese character that I wanted to talk about has the meaning of rebel, and in Cantonese it is pronounced 反, 反. So to oppose or to counter in Cantonese is 反對, 反對. Reaction or to react in Cantonese is 反應, 反應. Anyhow, anyway, or in any case in Cantonese is 反正, 反正. And lastly, on the contrary in Cantonese, it is 反而, 反而. If you wish to review these words in our app, please look at the flashcard set named Words with Rebel. The next Chinese character that I want to talk about resembles the meaning of regard, and in Cantonese it is pronounced 算, 算. If we want to say consider as in Cantonese, then it will be 算係, 算係. So for example, if I want to say I'm considered as an accountant, then in Cantonese it would be 我算係一個會計師, 我算係一個會計師. Now, if I want to say to urge an acceptance of a bad situation, or like saying never mind or just forget it, in Cantonese, then we would just say 算啦, 算啦. Now, if you wish to review these words in the app, please look at the flashcard set named Words with Regard. The fifth Chinese character that I want to talk about is the character that means release in Cantonese, and it is pronounced fong, fong. So to come off work in Cantonese is literally means to release from work. And in Cantonese it is fong gong, fong gong. To not worry in Cantonese is literally means the release of the heart. And in Cantonese it is phong sum, phong sum. To give up in Cantonese it is phong hei, phong hei. To let pass or to let it slip away in Cantonese it is phong guo, phong guo. Now, if you wish to review these words in the app, please look at the flashcard set named Words with Release. The last Chinese character that I wanted to talk about is the Chinese character that means roots. And in Cantonese, it is pronounced bun, bun. Now, to say oneself or in person in Cantonese, it is bun yan, bun yan. To say formerly or at first in Cantonese, you would say bun loi, bun loi. And lastly, if you want to say itself in Cantonese, then you would say bun san, bun san. Now, if you wish to review these words in the app, please look at the flashcard set named Words with Roots. Now, if you like the content and you like the knowledge that you learn, please like and subscribe to our channel, as well as if you have not done so already, I recommend you to download our Cantonese learning app, in which the link is in the description below. So this app contains the flashcard decks as well as the quizzes of the words that you have learned in this lesson, as well as the other lessons that I have offered in my channel. Also, if you have any other learning questions or want to connect with other people who are learning Cantonese the same as you, please join our community Discord channel, in which I will be there, as well as other learners will be there to answer your questions as well as to mingle. And of course, the Discord channel link is in the description below as well. Now, thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next lesson.